What do I have? What do I have? You want to play the feather game before we go down for breakfast? Yeah, you ready? Okay. Get ready. Did you catch any? Doesn't look like. I got one. Ready? Oh, that was my bad. Come on. Ready? Catch it! Catch it! Oh, almost. One more try. Oh, my bad. Okay, you ready? Oh, come on, I blew that right to your mouth. Okay, ready? Last one, then we're going to go downstairs. Alright, well now let's go in the shower. Okay, let's get some breakfast. Game's over. No more. All the feathers are gone. I have to clean them up in a minute. Come on. I don't have any more feathers. Good girl.